What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you want to mount a phone in your car without it being permanent, you might want to try this. Hey, I just picked this up. It's my Miracase, and the reason I wanted to pick this up is because in my Ghibli, there's really no good place to mount a phone, and I don't really need to do it that much. I can use the onboard GPS and whatnot for the most part, but what I do want to do is be able to play my music and be able to control that, and I thought, hey, I don't want to install something sticky on the mount or on the vents because they're actually vertical slats, so nothing sticks to them very well. But there are times when maybe I'm on a longer road trip or something like that and I want a phone mount. So I picked this up because this can mount in the cup holder, and that is on the center console in the front, so it's in a perfect place. And I thought, well, this is just something I can keep in the armrest and then use it when I need it and then put it away when I don't. And so what we get here is some stuff to build this thing. First of all, I'll just say here we get a micro USB cable, so you do have that. The phone mount itself. This is all plastic. You've got a little deployment button, looks like, on the sides. Work when it's plugged in. You can see the USB plug right there. And then we have a little foot here to hold it in. What I actually need and want is this piece. We have this kind of cup down here, which these little rubber pads will go on here to help space it out if you need some additional space, I believe. And then what you can see here is I can unscrew this right here, and the sides are coming out, so that's going to force it to fit into your cup holder. Now if you have a really big cup holder, you may want to remove those attachments here and put this on there, but on mine, because it's like a European based car, the cup holders are wicked small. Europeans just must not be thirsty. A nice little chrome rim there, so you've got a nice adjustment here so that you can access it from the top, tighten it in without over tightening it. Now the cool thing here is that we have this twist knob here because we have like this articulating arm, the sliding arm, and this is going to allow you to adjust where this phone mount will go. And so to get this attached to this, what you have to do is you have to take off this little collar here, and then you have to put it onto the ball joint right there, and then you have to press that into that device, into the socket right there, and then you use this to tighten it down, and so this will get it into the right position for you. Now what you can see here as I'm tightening it down is that the connection for the mount is at the top, so you're not going to have anything sticking out above it blocking anything. You'll be able to put your phone right where you want to put it, so if you can adjust this that way, and then you can move this to whatever angle you want and then tighten it down here, and that's going to hold it in place, and then just put it in and then tighten it down. So I am going to go ahead and get this into the car and see if it works. So in the car here, and one of the things that I really like is that connector is USB-C, so it's not micro USB, so it should have nice throughput there. And as you can see, this cup holder isn't the largest, so I don't have those spacers on there. But what I'm going to do here now is just go ahead and twist it and see if it'll snug in there, and it already is. I can tell you, look at that. That's pretty awesome, and you can see that that is not coming out even, so perfect. All right, I'm actually gonna have to loosen it up because I want to orient it just slightly differently here. All right, so now I have the cup holder installed in the cup holder. I have the power plug installed there. I'm going to turn on the accessories on the car, and now we are going to see if this thing works. So this will open it up and this will close it up. You can see it slides in there, and it is wireless charging, which is pretty awesome. Now, I will say the benefit of this is that it's not going to fall out because it's in there nice and snug. But this is really great because now I can adjust this little gimbal. I can angle it towards me. I can put it in the cup holder here. It'll charge. It should have nice power pass-through because of the USB-C, and it's perfect because then when I'm done with it, I can unscrew it here, remove it, and there's never been a sign of anything here, and you can keep your car clean without installing something on the air vents or on the dashboard that might be permanent. So if you want to pick up this phone holder for your car for your next trip, or maybe just everyday use, I think it's a pretty sweet one. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.